Hi, my name's Dwayne Squires.
My name's Richard Muse.
And in this video, we're going to answer the question of whether it's worth buying buy-to-let investment properties in the Northeast. Simply put, our answer is yes. You may be thinking we're a bit biased because we invest in the Northeast, and there's many reasons why we think it's worth investing in the Northeast buy-to-let property, but we'll give you two top reasons why that is. Let's start with number one. Number one is capital growth. So since 2008-7 property recession, prices in the Northeast have actually stayed static since then till now, in 2019 when this video is being recorded. Now, that leaves a huge amount of opportunity for capital appreciation. So when you compare down south like London versus Northeast, there's astronomical amount of opportunity. So if you look in 2007, 2008, property prices in London were averaging around £250 for an average property, whilst in Sunderland and Middlesbrough it was around 120. Now, fast forward to 2019, average prices in London are just shy of 500,000, so around the 470, 480 mark. But when you look at Middlesbrough and Sunderland and locations around, it stays stagnant at 120,000. So there's a huge amount of opportunity for you to take advantage of. Now, obviously there's caveats behind that. If you've got a strong power team, if you've got the right know-how and you can negotiate or get access to those to good deals that are below market value, you're going to have equity from day one. So let's go into an example. So recently we helped a client purchase a property in County Durham, Oakland's Gardens. Now the purchase price was £40,000 and it needed a bit of work. When you look at it, it needed around £5,000 worth of work. So all in terms of capital investment, £45,000. But actual market value after works were completed, £70,000. So when you look at it, from day one, they had £25,000 worth of equity. Now, on top of that, it's an area with working tenants, and the rent that they're getting is £450 per month, which equates to around 13% yield. So when you look at that, in summary, you get from day one good capital growth, plus you've got equity from day one, plus a really strong yield to go with that as well. Another reason why you think it's worth investing in Northeast? Richard?
Yeah, the second one I believe is yield. Now that is because the Northeast, in my opinion, offers the best yields of anywhere in the country. Anything from 10% up over, and there is instances where we've done even better than that. One instance is one in Sunderland where we actually recently sold a block of 5 self-contained flats in one building. Now I think the property was sold for £109,000. The rental income was £1,600 a month, and the yield on that was over 17%. So that's quite a good return on the money, and a lot of them tenants were existing long-term tenants. So I don't think there's anywhere else offers the yield that you can get in the Northeast. In London, as you've mentioned, Dwayne, you can be down as 5% or lower, where people wanting a return on the money. Yield is important, and we've got to remember, banks are not. There's no return at the banks anymore, and there's quite a lot of investors just invest for yield, and you can understand why and where's the best place to go. The Northeast.
Brilliant. So in answering the question, is it worth investing in property or buy-to-let properties in the Northeast? Yes, for capital growth, yield, and an array of other reasons why as well. Thank you very much for watching our video. If you found it useful, please can you click the like button, as well as follow our YouTube channel by subscribing to it. That will then mean that when we release new videos in the future, you'll be notified of those.
Once you've liked and subscribed, why not watch other of our videos by clicking the thumbnail on the right-hand side? This will take you to more helpful videos for you to watch.